your interpretation of my pose? Strong, confident, heroic, all of the above?
Yeah, heroic. Oh no.
Don't you mean oh yes?
No, it's all good.
Let me see. It's, eclectic. The jellyfish is a bold choice. Is that a sombrero?
Ugh, I can't paint with these hiccups. Come on, Eugene. Anyone have a cure for hiccups?
I do! Now drink! See? It worked.
A good scare should do the trick.
Oh.
Over here! Spicy food and goodbye hiccup!
Smell something disgusting. It's my food.
I got it.
Here, princess, secure peanut butter!
Try this. Both? Ugh.
My magic throat salve will definitely work. It doesn't work.
Spinner!
Bring it.
Bounce!
Stand on your head.
Kiss a go!
Curl your hair.
Faster!
Read blindfolded.
Enough! This is crazy. What's next? Ice water?
It was Eugene's idea.
That's true. What? No, go!
Yeah, that's pretty funny.
Yeah, laugh it up.
My hiccups, they're gone. You cured me, Eugene.
Happy to help. You know, that ice bath did wonders for my complexion. Is my pose coming across even more radiant and heroic?
Well, yes. This time, I definitely captured your most heroic moment.
Seems like I've spent my whole life hoping, dreaming of things I've never tried.